Welcome back to another CSM video on IntelAlign and our Precision Hub Stands Motorsports package. Today we're going to be talking about calibrating the Camber Sensor, or sometimes you also hear it called the inclinometer, which is the name for the sensor that's inside. So things happen at the paddock. The stuff gets ran over, in the shop things get dropped, it happens. So we need a way to calibrate our inclinometers / camber sensors anywhere, anytime, without needing to come back to us. It's something that you can do as the end user. So what we've done is we've built a simple routine into the IntelAlign app, as well as two surfaces on the scale base to calibrate this sensor against. So right here on the sides of the scale pads are magnets with two dowel pin holes, just like the hub mount plates. So we can remove the camber sensor from the hub mount plates and install it in one of these positions, and it just snaps into place. And we'll just leave it there. It doesn't matter which one we start with. It's the same either way. But we set it there, put it in position. Now we're going to transition into our app. And in the app, we have the right front. So we're looking at the right front. We're going to go to right front, and we're going to go down to Calibrate Camber. And now we can select which one we want. And this keeps a history of the calibrations that have been done, so you can keep track of the last time you did it. So we're going to select the right front, bam, and it just says install inclinometer in position 1. Again, it doesn't matter which one we choose, either one works. So we've had it there, and now we're going to get cal value 1, and it's going to make you let it sit there for 10 seconds. This is to ensure we get a nice, stable measurement, and everything has time to settle out. This is the most crucial time when calibrating this to make sure all of our measurements are correct later on down the road. So it takes the calibration value, it just saved it. Now we're going to remove this on this position and go to position 2. I usually give it a second, however, the 10 seconds it makes you wait is totally fine. So we'll go back to cal value 2, and now it's going to take 10 seconds. It's going to count down. And once this finishes, you're going to see it update at the top to October 31st, 25 for the right front. And there it goes. It updated to October 31st, 2025. When doing this, make sure the scale pad is leveled as best possible. It doesn't actually have to be perfect. It just needs to not rock. It'll compensate for everything else that's going on. But it's really simple and straightforward. And it's something you should do periodically. The app will tell you to do it every 30 days. That always helps. It's never a bad thing to calibrate the system. But if you drop it, kick it, throw it, something happens to it, just give it a quick calibration. It takes 30 seconds, and it'll make sure you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video with CSM Performance.